ET Series walking excavators are specially designed for emergency rescue. With their excellent remote control capabilities, they can easily cope with complex terrain such as steep slopes, deep water, obstacles, and trenches by quickly changing modular machinery. Multifunctional operations such as excavation, lifting, logging, crushing, drilling, and shodding can be integrated, especially suitable for extreme disaster scenarios such as avalanches, earthquakes, and landslides. Efficiently perform rescue and post-disaster reconstruction tasks, and strive for prime time for life rescue.